Imagine a company that just a few years ago was associated exclusively with electric vehicles, batteries, and factories for producing cars, but today is gradually beginning to turn into something much larger. We are talking about the company Tesla and its ambitious founder, Elon Musk. In recent years, a quiet but very important transformation has been taking place inside Tesla. The company is gradually ceasing to be just a car manufacturer and is beginning to turn into a technology corporation whose main product in the future may not be cars at all, but humanoid robots. Elon Musk has repeatedly said that in the long term, the most important product of Tesla is not cars, but a robot. That is why the company is actively investing billions of dollars in the development of its humanoid project, called Tesla Optimus. This robot is being created as a universal assistant for performing a wide variety of tasks, from working in factories to helping people in everyday life. And if you carefully follow what is happening inside Tesla, it becomes obvious that the company has already begun gradually restructuring its production capacities. Many Tesla factories are being designed in such a way that in the future they can mass-produce not only cars, but also robots. At first glance, this may sound like science fiction, but if we recall the history of Tesla, it becomes clear that the company has repeatedly done things that once seemed impossible. Elon Musk believes that the humanoid robot market in the future could be dozens of times larger than the automotive market. In his opinion, one day, robots will work in almost every sector of the economy. They will help people in manufacturing, logistics, construction, medicine, agriculture, and even in the homes of ordinary people. That is why Tesla is already focusing on the development of artificial intelligence and robotics. The robot Tesla Optimus is constantly being updated and improved. Almost every month, new demonstrations appear in which the robot becomes faster, more precise, and smarter. Its balance improves, movements become more natural, and artificial intelligence algorithms allow it to perform increasingly complex tasks. But now, according to insiders, the company is preparing for one of the most interesting steps in the development of this lineup. We are talking about the possible appearance of a new version of the robot Tesla Optimus, which may become a completely new direction within the project. According to some sources, Tesla may be preparing a female version of Tesla Optimus. This is not simply the same robot in another shell or with a changed design. According to rumors, it may involve a deeper modification of the device. Tesla engineers are allegedly working on a new configuration of the robot that will have different characteristics and may be optimized for other tasks. So far, there is very little precise information about such a robot, but interest in this topic is fueled by several statements from Elon Musk. In one interview, he hinted that Tesla is preparing a surprise in the field of robotics. Elon Musk has also previously said that the company is considering the possibility of creating different versions of humanoid robots for various usage scenarios. This means that in the future, the Optimus lineup may expand and include several types of robots. For example, more powerful industrial models for work in factories, more compact versions for home use, and specialized modifications for specific industries. If Tesla really is developing a new version of Tesla Optimus, this could mark the beginning of the expansion of the company's entire humanoid robot lineup. Insiders suggest that the female version of Tesla Optimus may differ with higher movement precision, improved hand motor skills, and a more advanced system of interaction with people. This may be especially important for tasks related to service, caregiving, work in hotels, stores, or medical institutions. Some experts believe that the design of the robot may also play an important role. A more friendly appearance may help people get used more quickly to interacting with humanoid machines. That is why many companies in the field of robotics are already experimenting with various forms and external characteristics of their robots. But Tesla is not the only company striving to take a leading position in this market. Today, competition in the field of humanoid robotics is becoming increasingly intense. Chinese companies in particular have become very active in this race. Chinese manufacturers literally present new robot models every month, demonstrate software updates, and show increasingly advanced capabilities of their machines. Many of these companies receive serious support from the state and actively invest in the development of artificial intelligence and robotics. As a result, the market is developing incredibly fast. And if Tesla wants to maintain leadership in this field, the company will really have to act as quickly as possible. Mass production of robots is an enormous technological challenge. It is necessary to create reliable mechanics, powerful batteries, efficient actuators, and most importantly, artificial intelligence that will be able to control this entire system. Tesla has one important advantage: enormous experience in the development of artificial intelligence and autonomous systems. The algorithms used for the autopilot of Tesla cars can become the basis for controlling robots. Huge computing power and neural network training systems allow the company to accelerate the development of its technologies. That is why many analysts believe that Tesla has every chance to become one of the leaders in the humanoid robot market. If the company really presents a new version of Tesla Optimus, this could become one of the most discussed events in the robotics industry. Perhaps this robot will be shown for the first time at one of the shareholder meetings of Tesla or at a special presentation. But knowing Elon Musk, another scenario cannot be excluded. Elon Musk is known for sometimes announcing projects long before their real appearance. Therefore, even if the information about a new version of Optimus turns out to be true, we may not see a finished robot immediately. Nevertheless, the very fact that Tesla is considering the possibility of expanding the lineup of humanoid robots speaks volumes. The company is clearly looking toward a future in which robots will become part of everyday human life. And if the plans of Elon Musk are realized in a few years, we may see a world where millions of humanoid machines work alongside people. Robots will help in factories, deliver goods, care for elderly people, work in service companies, and perform many other tasks. And perhaps it is the new versions of Optimus that will become the first step toward creating this new industry. Because if Tesla really begins mass-producing humanoid robots, this could become one of the biggest technological shifts of the 21st century. And at that moment, the company that once started as a manufacturer of electric vehicles will finally turn into a corporation creating machines of a new generation. Machines that will not simply drive on roads, but walk next to people and work together with them. And if information about such a version is really confirmed, this could open a completely new direction for the project. A robot created with an emphasis on more natural interaction with humans may prove especially in demand in fields where communication, precision of movement, and constant assistance to people are important. In this case, the female version of Optimus may become not just a new robot model, but a kind of symbol of the next stage in the development of the entire lineup. And it is quite possible that one day exactly such humanoid machines will greet people in hotels, help in hospitals, or work next to humans in everyday life, showing how far modern robotics has advanced.